Hello everybody, I'm Roger Hassan, the CEO of Echo, and we're busy transforming the future of pharmacy. At Echo, we've built a medication management app and a digital pharmacy that transforms pharmacy from an antiquated, difficult, high-friction process and turned it into something for the modern age, giving patients access to their medication in a simple, easy way. In the UK, 48% of the adult population use a prescription medication of some description to manage a condition. That 48% of the population have to go through a stressful and confusing experience every time they want to get access to that medication. They have to go to a GP, get their repeat. They then have to go to a pharmacy, join a queue. If they're lucky, the pharmacy has the medication they need. If they're unlucky, they have to come back later or tomorrow. Once they've got hold of it, they then need to remember when they take it. Once they remember when they've taken it, they've got to keep monitoring the amount of medication they have left so they can keep up with their supply, and then remember at a certain point in time to go through that confusing, difficult process all over again, taking valuable time out of their lives. And at Echo, we don't think that's right. So we're simplifying it. And what we've done is create an app that the patient can download for free. They tell us who their GP is. We connect using NHS systems to that GP. We validate who they are, the medication that they're on, and then we dispense their medication to them. We scrape their prescription with the data required to give them smart reminders, so they get told when to take the product. And then we monitor their supply. So at the point in time when it's appropriate, before they run out of their medication, we prompt them to reorder. And as if by magic, a couple of days later, their medication arrives in the post. We've now got over 35,000 active patients, actually it's nearly 40,000 now, on the app, and active patients are patients that are actually receiving their repeat from us every 90 days or less. That's a 320% growth over the course of the last 2 years, and we're now in a position where we've dispensed over 500,000 items. 85% of all GP practices in England have now transacted with the Echo platform. And the biggest impact that we're having, or the biggest illustration to us that we're making a real difference, is our impact on adherence. And Echo patients, in a study that we conducted last year, typically adhere to the rate of 88%, which is significantly higher than the average of 50% in the UK. And the reason for that is because the three key areas that cause people to become non-adherent are either they forgot, well, we remind them, we run out, well, we send it to them, and I didn't have time to visit the pharmacy. Well, guess what? Now you don't have to. But don't take my word for it. See some of the words from our users who evangelize about us, because we genuinely are transforming pharmacy and making this process significantly easier for that 48% of the population.